Russia unleashed its Kinzhal hypersonic missiles. They streaked through Ukrainian skies, wreaking havoc on Odessa and Mykolaiv. The Kinzhals were accompanied by more conventional missiles and, of course, Geran-2 drones. The Russian version of the infamous Iranian Shahed 136. The drones exploded at the port of Chornomorsk, engulfing 3 container ships in flames. They were Turkish ships, reportedly carrying food supplies. Turkey's President Recep Tayyip Erdogan issued a warning after the strikes. He said that the Black Sea should not turn into a battlefield. He said that it wouldn't benefit either Russia or Ukraine if that happened. Erdogan's comments came just hours after he met Russian President Vladimir Putin. Erdogan's office said that he had called for a limited ceasefire around ports and energy infrastructure. And the Turkish president insisted that peace is not far away. But even as he said that, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky was at the front lines. He was handing out awards to his soldiers near Kupiansk. This was to celebrate Ukraine's Ground Forces Day. Russia said that it seized Kupiansk late last month, but Zelensky now says that the city is completely surrounded and that Russian supply lines have been cut off. Ukraine released body cam footage showing its soldiers fighting to take the city back. Meanwhile, Russia's defense ministry released its own footage, purportedly showing Russian troops capture 8 Ukrainian cities over the past week. This reportedly includes the city of Siversk in the Donetsk region. And of course, Moscow also responded by launching the barrage later that night. Besides the Turkish ships at the Chornomorsk port, the Russian attack also took out a large chunk of Ukraine's energy infrastructure. Power supplies were cut to thousands of people in the cities of Odessa and Mykolaiv. Firefighters in Mykolaiv were still trying to douse the flames this morning. And once again, the Zaporizhzhia nuclear plant lost external power overnight. Military activity affected the electrical grid, causing Europe's largest nuclear plant to lose outside power for the 12th time since the war began. The plant is not operational, but it needs external power to keep its nuclear reactors cool. Turkey says that peace between Russia and Ukraine isn't far away. The US has been working around the clock to get a deal done. But will the participants be willing to make compromises and bring this disastrous war to a close?